Today I'm going to show you how to attach or link to a file in OneNote for Windows 10. This is incredibly useful when you want to reference external documents, files, or web pages directly from your notes without cluttering your notebook with large attachments. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're in the notebook where you want to add the file, link, or attachment. This step is straightforward, but it's important to be in the right notebook before proceeding with the linking process. Once your notebook is loaded, head to the Insert menu located at the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are displayed. Click on the Insert tab to reveal additional options. This menu is your gateway to adding various elements to your notes, including files, links, images, and more. From the Insert menu, look for the Link button and click on it. A link window will appear, and this is where you'll configure how your link or file attachment will work. This dialog box gives you full control over what you're linking and how it will appear in your notes. From here, simply fill in the required fields. Start by adding text in the Text to Display field. This is how you want your link or file attachment to appear in your notebook, so choose something descriptive that makes sense in context. For example, if you're linking to a budget spreadsheet, you might type budget 2024 inches or financial report. Then move to the address field. Here you have two options. You can click on Browse the web if you don't have the URL yet and need to search for it online. But if you already have the URL, you can straight up paste the URL you're linking this text to directly into the address field. This is perfect for linking to online resources, shared documents, or web pages. The other option is Browse for File. Click on it and a File Explorer window will appear. Navigate through your folders to locate the file you wish to attach. Click on the file to select it. Then click OK to attach the file. The text to display will turn into a clickable link that redirects to whichever URL or file you've set from this window. This makes it easy to access files stored locally on your computer without having to leave OneNote. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click OK from the link window to finalize your link. And there you have it. You've successfully attached or linked to a file in OneNote for Windows 10. Your linked text will now appear in your notebook, and clicking it will open the file or web page you specified. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.